Stand with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Position the barbell directly over your midfoot. Grip the bar with an overhand grip just outside shoulder width. Slightly bend your knees while maintaining proper lifting posture. Push your hips backward and hinge at the hips until your torso is about 45 to 80 degrees toward the floor. Keep your back flat. Maintain a perfectly flat back with a neutral spine throughout the movement. Step 5 is that itafitched would weft. Brace your core, keep your chest up, and maintain a neutral neck position. Pull the barbell towards your belly button while keeping your elbows close to your body. Step 8, elbows back. Drive your elbows backward toward your pockets while keeping them close to your body. Squeeze your shoulder blades together at the top of the rowing movement. Bring the barbell to your belly button and pause briefly while maintaining proper posture. Slowly lower the barbell under full control while maintaining a flat back and engaged core.